Hi, I'm Jodie Johnson from Tonic Studios. Go grab yourself a cup of coffee, sit down and let me take you through the brand new products for 2021. So let's have a look at what is coming up. We have got 3 colour trends for you this year. We have got Sweet Sorbet, which is all your pastel tones from your Glacier paste, your Nouveau drops, your translucent drops, your micro sprays to your ink pads. So that is spring 2021. We've then got Santa's Workshop, very, very traditional fit for me. This is our summer 2021. So we have got in there all the traditional greens, the reds, absolutely stunning, from your mousses to your shimmer pens to your Nouveau drops. That is absolutely gorgeous. And then moving on to autumn 2021, we have got the Harvest Moon, very bright, invigorating in colours, very rich and deep as well. From the mustard yellows to that gorgeous opulent red, really, really pretty colours for the autumn. We're introducing our magnetic crafters platform. This is going to enable you to position your stencils, hold them down with the magnets without any adhesive needed. It's a lovely size product, so you can use your smaller stencils all the way up to your larger stencils and will wipe clean. You can also buy the additional magnets within there as well. The actual item comes with 2 magnets, the other 2 you can buy as additions. Now all our guillotines, you know Tonic Studios, that's where we began. We began with the cut, and this is where we absolutely specialise in. From any size guillotine, from your small all the way up to your large guillotines, the 12 by 12 guillotines, your super trimmers for all your memory books. Now we're bringing you a Crafters magnetic die stand. This is going to sit on your desk, enable you to place the dies in front of you on that magnetic tier. It stands very much like a cookbook stand, so that you can see the articles on there, but also you can just throw the dies at it and they stay where they stick. Absolutely fantastic product to have on your desk. We've then got the shaker pockets, so if you like shaker cards, let's face it, we all like a little bling in our life. These are really sleeves that go over the top of your card. So where before we've done shaker blisters in different shapes like stars, moons and everything else, this is actually a pocket that goes over the front, and all the little shaker bits, the confetti, glitter, actually sit on the front of your card rather than in that categorized area, i.e. a star or a moon. Going on to the precision tweezers, these are a really, really fine tip. If you're personalizing your cards, you've got that real precise point to be able to put your die cuts down with no problem at all. Brilliant for picking up all your little sequins, gems and everything else, but you've got that larger bulbous finger point where you can actually hold on to these. A really, really nice tweezer. And then we've got those brand new large blending brushes, and I say that slowly because these are amazing. They really are. They are a large brush that come in its own housing unit. Now that housing unit allows you to put your brush away, and then there's no cross-pollination with inks on your surfaces, on other cards or anything like that. You do not get any haloing with these at all. We've also got the domed daubers as well. So if you've got our blender handle, these will fit onto the end of that little handle. They work alongside the Velcro head system. So really, really nice. You get 10 of these in each of the packets. And once again, they give that beautiful blend effect because you literally are going round in circles with these. They do give the most beautiful effect. As I say, every girl likes sparkle, and these sparkle sprays are packed to the rafters with sparkle. So we have got in there, we've got the strawberry ice, we've got the tender peach, and we've got the Japanese maple. So these are the new colours for 2021. Very, very bright and beautiful colours. You know, you've got the Auburns in there, really, really nice. Brand new Nouveau alcohol pens. Now they are an oval back barrel as well, really, really comfortable in the hand. Now they come in sets of 24 and 12s. You've got your 2 different ends, you've got your bullet in there and your nib as well. Really, really nice. Once again, you've still got the labels on each pen, that actually tell you what colours they are as well, but they feel beautiful in the hand. The oval barrel fits a lot better in your hand than a round barrel. Don't forget to come onto our website, have a look around. There is so many new products on there for 2021, and if you've got any questions, please contact us.